Welcome to Bikini Now. What's up? This is a beach in California that I am showing you right now. It is one of over 420 other beaches in California. This is quite the spectacle to behold. Look at that ocean. Look at that ocean and those umbrellas and those people walking. They just love this beach. Look at that golden sand. It is just beautiful. Wow. Just look at all of that sand. It's everywhere. And people love being on this sand. They love being on top of it, laying their bodies all over it. Just so much fun to be had in the sun on this beautiful day. So much fun. So many people having fun in the sun. Look, there are some people getting ready to have fun in the sun. And there are some more people having fun in the sun. That guy is taking his shirt off. He is ready to have fun in the sun. That's what I'm talking about. And here you can see that beautiful ocean washing onto the shore, covering that golden sand. It is making that sand really wet right now. It is getting super wet, and people are loving it. They love being inside that ocean, that big wet ocean. These people are having the best day of their lives right here, right now. So many people loving this beach. Just look at those views. Wow. And those rocks. I cannot get over those rocks. They are so nicely shaped, unlike any other rocks I've ever seen in my life. Wow. Truly remarkable. Now look at that plant. It is super pointy. And all of those footprints all over the sand, there are tons of them. You can tell a lot of people have walked on that sand today. They got to experience firsthand what it's like to walk on that soft, golden sand. Stories they will probably never tell anyone for the rest of their lives. They will take it to their graves. Now look at this view of the ocean. It is absolutely breathtaking. Can you feel your breath literally being taken away right now? Look at that crystal clear blue waters, blue skies, golden sand, green, beautiful palm trees, that mountain covered in houses, big, beautiful houses. The ambiance of the waves washing onto the shore. Wow, holy cow. And those people, they just love this beach. They're just standing there, staring at the ocean. You could do it all day. It never gets old. Everything about the beach is just amazing. This is the perfect day to be at the beach. So many people just loving it. Absolutely loving it. And here is a close-up of the sand. There is a lot of it. A lot of nice, soft, wet sand. And that dog, he especially loves walking barefoot on this soft, golden sand. Appreciate all of that sand all over this beach. And here we are coming up on this archway. It has a huge hole. That hole is massive, and people love getting their photos taken there. That is probably one of the most popular spots on this beach to get your photos taken at. Right there in that hole. Look, there are people walking through it right now. It is glorious. And here is another fantastic view of the ocean. Look as far as the eye can see. Look at those mountains back there, just absolutely covered in houses. Big, beautiful, expensive houses. You can see those palm trees up there on your left. They are green and nicely shaped. Just listen to the ambiance of the ocean. Wash all of your worries away. It will relax you real quick. You won't even know it happened. You will just be relaxed out of nowhere. It's incredible. That ocean is really incredible. Just look at it. Wow. Just wow. And here is that massive hole of that arch where people love being inside, getting their photos taken. And there's a bird. He's having a real good day. Just incredible views everywhere you look. Look at that ocean. And that golden sand of those rocks, really nicely shaped rocks. Wow. Just wow. And look at that ocean water. It almost got all of those people super wet, and that dog did not care. He is having a great day. And this lady, she is on her phone, not appreciating anything about this beach whatsoever except her phone. And look at that hole in that rock. That is a very uniquely shaped hole in that rock. Wow. And those flowers, those red ones, you could put those in your house. Here is another shot of the sand and people having tons of fun on the beach right here. And this guy, he does not have his shirt on. He is so ready to have fun in the sun. Let's go. And look at that dog. He wants to have fun with everybody in the sun right now. He is ready to go. So many people just having the best day of their lives, laying their bodies all over this beach. Just look at them. Look at all of those people just loving being on top of this beach. They could do it for hours. They love it here. This beach is very lovable. Lots of people in love with this beach. Now look at that beautiful sun casting its rays all over this beach, all over that plant, all over that sand, those other plants. That sun is casting a lot of rays, a lot of hot, steamy rays all over this beach, just everywhere, covering every inch of this beach with those hot rays. Wow. Just take it all in one last time. One last look at that beautiful ocean. Incredible, incredible ocean. Wow.